Hi guys, welcome to my Windows 10 Explore channel. Today, I'm going to show you the least used keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word. We all know about what Ctrl plus C, V, Z do. We use them every time. But today, I'm going to cover the least used shortcuts which are very useful and most of all many people don't know about these shortcuts. In this video, I'm going to cover all the shortcuts using control keys. First, I'm going to generate a random text using a equal rand 3 comma 5 closing bracket and enter. This code generates 3 paragraphs of data with 5 lines in each paragraph. Okay, let's start. For the first shortcut, that is Ctrl plus 0. This shortcut add or remove 6 points of space between paragraphs. So if you want to add space between paras, just use this shortcut like this. Here I'm going to click here and I'm going to press Ctrl plus 0 to get some gap between these two paragraphs, and I'm going to press the Ctrl plus 0 again to close the gap. And the next one is Ctrl plus 1. Ctrl plus 1 gives one single space between the lines in the paragraph, and the same as Ctrl plus 2 also give double space between the lines in the paragraph, as well as Ctrl plus 5 gives 1.5 line space between the lines in the paragraph. Here how it works. Here I'm going to click on here and I'm going to press Ctrl plus 1, which gives the single space between the lines in this paragraph. Will affect only in this paragraph, not here or here. And I'm going to press Ctrl plus 2. This will give the double space between the lines in the paragraph, and Ctrl plus 5 gives the 1.5 line space in the paragraph. Next one is, we all know that Ctrl plus A select all, Ctrl plus B for bold. We don't go into the easy shortcuts now, but I'm going to show a different one, that is format painter shortcut. We all know that we can copy and paste any word or any text or any line in the Word document, but some people don't know that we can also copy the one word font style and size and paste it to the another word. Here I'm going to select this design and I'm going to change the font and I'm going to change the font size. Now I want this font and font size to this button word. We can get this font size and style using a format painter. First I'm going to select the design and I'm going to press Ctrl plus Shift plus C, that is a format painter copy option, and now I'm going to select the button. Now I need to paste using another shortcut, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus V. This will automatically paste the font and font size to these words. And next one I'm going to show you what Ctrl plus D is gonna do. The Ctrl plus D is going to open the font dialog box. We all know that we can change the font sizes and styles in the font dialog box here in the home tab, but we can also open Ctrl plus D font dialog box and we can get advanced settings like scale, spacing, position for our document. And for the next one, we are going to align paragraphs using Ctrl plus E or L and J. We already know that, so I'm going to not taking any time about them. So I'm going to show you what happened when we press Ctrl plus E. It aligns in the center. Ctrl plus R aligns to the right side. Ctrl plus L aligns to the left side. And finally Ctrl plus J justify the paragraph. Next I'm going to show you a single shortcut for 3 shortcuts, that is Ctrl plus F, which opens the find dialog box, or in the latest version it opens the navigation pane, and Ctrl plus G opens the replace dialog box, and Ctrl plus H opens the Ctrl plus G opens the go to box, and Ctrl plus H opens the replace box. But we can use a single shortcut for find, replace and go to, that is F5. When you press F5, it will automatically open the find and replace dialog box in the document. Now I'm going to show you a cool 2 new shortcuts that are going to indent the paragraph like books or quotations. Here I'm going to select the first paragraph. I'm going to press Ctrl plus M. This will indent the paragraph. That means it will separate the paragraph in other paragraphs showing like a quotations. So we can use the indent paragraph by using the Ctrl plus M shortcut, and we can also use Ctrl plus T shortcut that go into same indent paragraph but leaving the first line. Now I'm going to show you how arrow keys combined with the control key to move the cursor around the document. What I'm saying is we can use control plus arrows to move the cursor around the document without using the mouse. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to show how it is done. So I'm going to press control plus left arrow, is going to the left side of the document, one word left side of the document, and control plus right arrow, the cursor moves one word to the right side of the document, and control plus up arrow means the cursor moves to the first line of the paragraph or beginning of the paragraph. Control plus down arrow means it goes to the next paragraph or first paragraph ending. And we can also use control plus home to go to the beginning of the document and control plus end shortcut to move the cursor end of the document. And the next one I'm going to show you another cool shortcut, that is control plus spacebar, which resets the font size and style to the default in the MS Word. Here we changed these two fonts and styles. So I'm going to reset these two by selecting the entire document, and I'm going to press control plus spacebar. Here you can see those two are changed and reset to the default font of your document. And I'm going to show you another two cool shortcuts that are, we all know that when we enter the end of the page we can get new page. So what about if you want to break these two lines and change these to the new page? So, and I'm going to click on here, I'm going to use control plus enter, which breaks, that is called page break in MS Word, breaks and move the data next data to the next page. And we can also use shift plus enter, give soft break between lines. Here I'm going to type a new word, how are you. I'm going to press enter, this gives some gap between these two lines. And now I'm going to press shift plus enter, this don't give any space between these two lines, it will work as a small soft break between these two lines. Remember, enter means gap between the two lines and shift plus enter means soft break between the two lines.